Today I want to show you how to make one of my favorite things. It's laundry bleach. Now you may have seen me make bleach before, but that's cleaning bleach. Much too strong for your laundry. So this is what we need. We need a bottle that is not see-through because peroxide is affected by the light. And you either want to take the label off and label it laundry bleach or just cross it out and slap the label on the front. And this is what you need to make it. We're going to take 3 1/4 cups of water. And it comes right out of your tap, doesn't need to be any special water. Pour it right into your bottle. To that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Now this is drugstore peroxide that you buy for first aid purposes. Then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now if you don't have fresh squeezed like I have here, feel free to use the bottled lemon juice that you get at the grocery store, but I just love the smell of squeezing it myself. Now if you don't like that smell and you want something extra, shake in a few drops of your favorite essential oil. However much smells good to you, it's fine. When you're ready to use it the way you would use your regular bleach, which is about 1/2 cup per laundry load. Put it in the dispenser, or once some water starts to come into the washer, add it at that time. It's a wonderful laundry bleach. It will save you tons of money. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.